Kids TV. Today Alexandra is the birthday girl. Yeah, we're having a Toy Story party. Yeah, we have a bouncy house. Alexandra is a Buzz Lightyear today. Buzz. Yeah, Mama is Jessie. We have Woody. Papa is Woody. We have so much fun planned for today, so stay with us and have fun.
Your Kids TV.
We were playing all day long, bouncing and sliding in the bouncy house, jumping, running, and playing hide and seek. All our family came to wish happy birthday to Alexandra. We had lots of food and it was so yummy. Yum, 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 yum. Alexandra loves playing with her toys. Here she has her octopus and her seal. Hi, Grandma! How's the food, Frank? Hello, everybody! Hello, Daddy! And then it was time for the piñata. Kids tried so hard, but they did it. Jeremiah was swinging for the fence. Sophia was jumping like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Okay guys, we're gonna pull on 3. 1, 2, 3, pull! We're getting ready to sing happy birthday and we're bringing in the Toy Story cake. Yummy! We love cake! Alexandra, make a wish and blow the candles. Here we're getting ready to open all the gifts. Alexandra got lots of presents, toys and books. We love reading books. much, Grandma. Thank you, Auntie. Alexandra got a baby doll. Aww, so cute! Thank you, family, for all your gifts. And then it was time for bubbles. Bubbles everywhere! Special thanks to Alexandra's sister Annabelle and Edgar. To grandparents, Louis and Sonia. To aunties, uncles, and cousins Sonita, Maria, Evelyn, Frank, and Brayson. To cousins Kathy, Jaden, and Jeremiah. To auntie and cousins Lupe and Jose, Brianna, Jaslyn, Sophia, and Marta. To aunties and cousins Pablo, Mildred, Adrian, George, and Josefa. Thank you all for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed it. Grown-ups, if your kids enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to your kids' TV channel. Make sure to click on the bell button to get notified when we post our new videos. If you enjoyed our content and would like to support us, please visit us at our Patreon website, patreon.yourkidstv.com. Parents, if you enjoy reading to your kids, or your kids like reading books, you may purchase them at the link below, books.yourkidstv.com.
Your Kids TV.